Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to build the Lego Friends Fun Water Park Day. This looks so cute, right? It's a small water park and this will be my second water park. Remember I think the set itself is like 2024, but I think I built it last year, or was it the year before? I think it was like last year anyway. That was like the big Heart Lake City water park, and this is much smaller than that, but this looks really cute too. So we've got 3 bags of Lego and lots of cute stickers as well, and 2 guidebooks included in this set. So this is Leo wearing a new t-shirt. Kind of looks like a swirl of water, right? Probably it's maybe his swimming suit or something like that. Anyway, this is how Leo's new clothes look like. And here it's Dango, and Dango is wearing new sunglasses. So adorable, right? He has a new face print, and there's also a bottle of water and some coin over here as well. Leo is holding this coin over here. This looks so cute. Now let's check out some other dolls. We actually have a lot of pets included in this set. So this is a guinea pig named Lucky. So cute, right? The hat is as big as his face. And this is Churro with this very unpleasant face, probably because she doesn't like water. I think because, cats hate water. Anyway, yeah, there's also like this rubber ball to play with, like this beach ball, I think. And this is Nova. There's nothing really special about her clothes though, because it's the clothes that we already know. It's just like Nova's hoodie. And she's holding a phone. And this is Pickle, Nova's dog. And Churro is Leo's cat, in case you don't know. And so let's give some like these sunglasses to Pickle. And there's also some sunblock over here as well. Of course, you should protect your skin. So we've got 2 dolls in this set and 4 pets. 2 dogs, 1 cat, and 1 guinea pig. Yeah, I love the new face print. Churro and Dango has new face print. So these are all the dolls in this set. And now let's start building this water park. So let's start with this part. So there's the pool, and next to the pool there's like a little bit of like grassy area where you can rest with like parasols and like sunbeds. This is like that sort of place. When I actually first saw the box, I didn't think that this set looked like really special. I mean, it looks nice, but I thought that it looked quite simple and not really that unique. Maybe that's what you thought too. But actually, after I finished building this set is actually really cute with so many details, and it's way better than I expected. So it's really interesting because I think this water park is somehow maybe like pet friendly or something, because we have some sunbed for the humans and like sunbed for the pets as well. So the yellow one is for the mini dolls, and the sky blue one with like these dog bones and paw prints, this is for the pets. So cute, right? And we even have like pet food over here, and also ice cream. You must eat ice cream in summer, but I actually also prefer ice cream in winter as well, because I think ice cream is like welcome in every season. Like it doesn't really have to be like necessarily just summer, but I just love ice cream. I don't really like chocolate or candy, but like jelly and ice cream I just love. Ice cream is one of my favorite food. I'm not so sure if that's considered as a food, but it's more like a dessert, right? So anyway, we've got a tree over here. We don't have a lot of plants though. We just have this one tree, but I think it's gonna be useful because it will like give them shade, right? So we've got some ice cream cones, and it looks like the ice cream is strawberry flavor. And inside the yellow basket, we've got some pink dog bone and meow bits as well. And there's also a very nice looking pink parasol. So that was the resting area, and now we're going to start building the water park. It's really cute. We even have an elevator. It's not the proper sort of elevator, but it also looks super nice. So we've got some like some stairs and some like slope for the pets, because I guess pets can't climb stairs. Yeah, probably, I guess so. So yeah, so we've got some stairs for the people and some slope for the pets, because you know, like for example, like Pickle, he can't climb the stairs, right? So in the like this swimming pool, we've got a dark blue paw print. So I think this pool is really like kind of like pet friendly. So it's for like pet owners and pets like enjoy the pool together, because in like normal pools, I think it's not very possible for pets to go inside, right? Yeah, anyway, we've got some like yellow railings. So the bottom part is blue because it's the water, and it's like yellow railings, and on the top we've got like turquoise color, and we have orange and yellow tube over there, which looks so cute, like the tube like you can use like with like air tube thing. Yeah, so in this set we have lots of flowers like purple and light blue flowers, and also lots of turquoise color as you can see, and we've got some more stairs over here, and this one is another slope for the pets. So that sort of like heart shape area is the water pool, and over here it's sort of like the pool as well, but it's more like less water, should I say. It's more like kind of like this like straw thing that's like pour that like spreads like water, and this like thing also turns. So I am pretty sure this one has like less water, so I think Churro would prefer this one. But cats hate water, right? I'm not so sure if it's for like all cats, but I am pretty sure most of the cats doesn't like water. Yeah, but dogs kind of like water, don't they? Yeah, but I'm not so sure. I never had like pets on my own, but anyway, there's like water, like sort of like fountain ride thing, which looks really cute too. So that's the main pool area, and this is at the back where they can like ride the elevator and go upstairs, and also they can also take a shower because there's also the shower area there. It's not a bathroom because there's no toilet or like faucet or anything like that, but there is a shower area because you know after you play in the water park, of course, because the water park water isn't very clean, so you have to take a shower. And so the reason why there's an elevator is because to ride the slide you have to use the elevator, but it's not really the great Lego sort of elevator. It's more like the, you know, remember the elevator like last year in the pet accessory like store thing? You know, it was an elevator, but it's like more like kind of like not really awesome looking elevator, but it is an elevator. So anyway, we've got a logo over here, water park, so cute, right? And we're gonna connect the slide. So now we're making the elevator. So you see, this is looking quite simple, but you know, like last year the pet accessory store or shop had like this similar looking elevator as this one. So let's put these things so that the animals can like step inside, but I'm not so sure why it's just a paw print. Maybe it's just for the pets, it's not allowed for the mini dolls. I don't think so, because I think mini dolls should be allowed to use it too, but I don't think that sort of elevator can like lift the weight of the mini dolls. But this is just playing, so probably they can, because you can just lift it with your finger. So anyway, we connected the slide and connect this resting place as well, and now this is the end of the build. This looks so cute, right? And to be honest, it's way better than I expected. I don't know how you expected it, but it's actually much better than I thought. It's really pretty, and there's actually a lot of things to do, and the sunbed is really cute too, and the shower place and the ice cream, the ride, the elevator, and everything. The detail is really nice, and the navy paw print in the water like pool is really nice detail too, and there's like water falling on top of you so that you can easily ride down the slide. So now let's start playing with this set. So Leo and Nova and the pets arrived at this water park. So this water park is also for pets, so you can enjoy it with your pets. So before they go inside the pool, they're going to put their belongings over here in the sunbed. Yeah, like this. Oh, this is really relaxing. Yeah, it's really hot though. Yeah, the sun is really like stinging my skins. Yeah, that's why you have to use the sunblock. I did, but it's still quite uncomfortable. You have to keep on putting it because if time passes, it will eventually just disappear. So we have to put it lots of times. Yeah, okay, but if you go into the water, doesn't it get washed away? Yeah, but it probably doesn't get all washed away, and the face wouldn't get washed away because you don't put your head in the water. Anyway, before we play, let's give some food to the pets. Meow bits for Churro and this pink dog bone for Dango, and let's like move this food bowl. So Lucky doesn't have any food, so how about Lucky just drinks water because he should eat something too. Yeah, kind of like this. There you go. Now it looks perfect. So now the stomach of the pets are fully filled, and okay, let's put this parasol back. And Leo is starting to feel quite thirsty, so he's drinking some water. So the pets finished eating, and now they are going to go inside the pool. Let's climb the stairs. Ooh, nice cool water. Yeah, it's a pity that it's so like thin. How should I say? It's not deep. It's so, I forgot the word for that. Like it's very shallow. Yeah. So now Pickle and Lucky are riding this ride. So cute, right? And Nova is using this water tube thing. Yeah, so they're having such a nice time. Churro doesn't really like the water, so she's escaped from the water. And Leo and Dango, they're playing with the beach ball. Now this is really making me want to go to the water park. It's been such a long time. I think it will be so great if you have like a swimming pool inside your house. That will be great. So Churro wants to ride the slide. Very brave girl, isn't it? Is it a girl or a boy? But it's a very brave cat anyway. So the water is falling down on top of Churro's head, as you can see. So Churro is going down the slide. Shoo! Wow, well done, Churro. That was brilliant. Amazing. Very excellent. Yeah, but Churro doesn't like water, like I told you, so she's just gonna wait over here in the pet sunbed. Yeah, this is so fun, right? So cute, and I love Dango's new face print. And now Dango and Pickle are riding this. It's actually a little bit hard to turn the handle. It's a little bit, not very smooth, but it's not really a problem, right? So anyway, now Leo is also gonna try this elevator. So now you need to go up, and now Leo arrived at the top, and now water is falling down from his head, and ta-da! Leo arrived at the bottom. Whoa, that looks fun. Now let's eat some ice cream. Oh yeah, ice cream. Excellent. Yeah, which flavor do you want? There's only strawberry. Oh yeah, right. Actually, I prefer chocolate, but I guess strawberry is not so bad. I mean, I like strawberry, but like this sort of ice cream that sometimes maybe you see in like restaurants or maybe like buffets, like the strawberry doesn't really taste very good. Yeah, that's true, but I hope this one tastes okay. Yeah, me too. Let's scoop this ice cream. Yeah. Oh, looks great. This, I think it will taste good. Yeah, it's very nice and fresh. I mean, normally this sort of ice cream, like in this big tank over here, the quality of the strawberry ice cream isn't very good. But this one tastes so great. Oh, wait, sorry, I put it back inside. Let me scoop this up. Yeah, it's a little bit hard if you ask me because the spoon is so small. It's just the original spoon. Oh, it would be so great if Lego makes a piece of ice cream scoop spoon. That would be so cute, right? Because it's not very interesting on that original spoon. It'll be nice if they make the ice cream scoop spoon. That's so cute, right? So anyway, now Leo and Nova, they are enjoying their strawberry ice cream. So now they finished, and it's time for them to leave and go home. But before that, if you played in this water park water with the pets and all, you should take a shower and clean yourself. So before they go, they're gonna take a shower, and after that they're gonna leave, and that's the end of the playing. This set is really cute, right? I bet you also thought that this set is not, it doesn't look very special, but it turns out it's really nice. Actually, it's very cute. So at the back over here, at the back of the slide, there's the shower place. So Nova is going to take a shower. Okay, no, not Nova. Leo will take a shower first. And after that, Nova will take the shower. And also the pets should wash themselves. Probably Churro doesn't want to, but she has to. Anyway, now Nova is washing herself, and now time for the pets. So Churro is looking very stubborn and unhappy, but you have to wash yourself. So the pets are also washing themselves, and now this is the end of their wonderful vacation. Is it a vacation? Summer vacation? Anyway, they had such a nice day in this water park, and now they are going back home, yeah, with their belongings. So now this is the end of the playing, and I hope you enjoyed it. It's really cute, right? The slide and the pool and the rides and the elevator. I didn't even know that there was an elevator. And Lucky is also really cute too. He or she, the guinea pig, is my first guinea pig, Lego guinea pig. So cute, right? Yeah, and the sunbed is really nice too, and it's a really nice detail that they actually made also like sunbed for the pets. So cute, right? And I love that they also put lots of slopes so that Pickle can move around easily as well. Dango's new face print is so cute. Anyway, this is the end of the video. Bye bye!